Alright, so it's nap time. The mail just got here, and I'm assuming Ryan got me some detailing stuff. So I opened it up and I asked him if I needed to wash the car first, or if I can just like spray it, wipe, and go. And he sent me the video, and I watched the video, and I'll insert the video here on TikTok. But supposedly, I'm just supposed to be able to spray and wipe it down. No washing required. So we're going to try it out with Morticia because she is filthy. But then once we're done with that, the real test is going to be Yolanda the Yukon. That's how we're going to be able to tell if this stuff really works. So here it is. Maxl 1, I think. That could be wrong. So it comes with this. Oh, sorry. That is very jerky. And 2 towels. It looks like he ordered 2 things of this stuff. So I guess let's try it out. I'm not very good at screwing on shit. Excuse me, right here. Thank you. All right. Apply to a cool surface out of direct sunlight. Do not let dry on surface before wiping off. Test on a small hidden area to ensure compatibility. Shake well before use. To ensure compatibility? Should that be a red flag? It's fine. All right. Well, I guess the door's a pretty good, oh, here we go. Pretty good area to start. So, come with me and we'll see if this cleaner works or not. Now I want to watch Willy Wonka. Speaking of Willy Wonka, who's everyone's favorite Willy Wonka? Was it the first Willy Wonka? What's his name? Gene? Was it Johnny Depp? My phone just like shook its head no. So I'm assuming... Bitch. Stop. This is why I don't like electronics. I get that you're supposed to follow me around, but you're having little moments. Ugh. Acting like a pick-me girl. Alright. I don't want like a direct stream, right? Oh, my lip. Ooh. Doesn't really have a smell. So I guess if you're into that stuff, that's good, right? Or maybe my nose is just broken from all the shitty diapers that I've changed over the last 14 years. All right, well, let's get started. And by the way, before anyone says anything about, oh, you have stuff on your pants. Yeah, I know. It's paint. I'm running out of leggings real fast. I'm not going to lie. Between all the painting I've been doing. What can I say? So, let's continue to look like a freaking weirdo talking to my phone and get started, I guess. We go down a little bit. So it just says to spray and wipe. I hate these little distort shit right there. Any recommendations on how to get it off? It's like the little thing that like protects the paint right there from door dings, like on posts and stuff. But whoever put it on did a shoddy ass job. So comment below. I don't know where I want to start. Can you guys see that? I did say that if you have heavier spots, to use a little bit more. I don't know what that is. I mean, I feel like it's doing a pretty good job. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'd rather do this than go out and spend, you know, $30 on a car wash. That's not gonna do that great of a job. Ryan is getting the windows tinted in this tomorrow. So he gets to drive a freshly clean Morticia to work. And it's supposed to be like 72. But if I'm not mistaken, you can't roll your windows and stuff down for like, what, 3 days? After you get your windows done? Which is fine, because on Sunday it's gonna freeze. I want new wheels. That's disgusting. I think I might go pick up Logan today with the top down because I promised him tomorrow, but with Ryan taking it in, I don't think that's gonna happen. It was time. So far from what I can see, I like it. I think it was way more convenient than having to go to the car wash. I just wipe it down right here. I didn't do the wheels because they are disgusting. And I'm not ready to get that dirty because I still have to go pick up kids today. But the real test is gonna be Yolanda here. She's a dirty girl. She doesn't get the attention she needs very often due to the fact that we have 4 boys, and unfortunately she's never clean no matter what I do. And then my mom lives on a dirt road, and it's just a whole thing. So we're gonna try it out right here on the hood, and we're just gonna see it. And I'll even get a close-up of it so you guys can tell, because I'm gonna grab this and it's gonna start freaking out. So I'm just gonna stop and just do it by hand. Let's do like this area so you guys can like really see, yeah? Okay, we're gonna start with this. So before. Okay, I gotta stop and then I'll do after. So my thing's not connecting, but whatever. So I wasn't gonna film it because I just didn't want to connect everything all over again. But dude, I don't know if you can see that shiny spot right there. That's from just one spray and a swipe. So I'm gonna film doing like a little bit of this and see if we can see the difference in the video. Because right now I'm sold. I'm 100% sold. 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 Sold, sold, sold. Look at this. I don't know if you guys knew, but yeah, she's sparkly. But look at that difference. Oh my God. That is crazy. Sold. I think my only thing is I feel like a vehicle like this is definitely gonna need more than 2 rags, but sold. Oh my God, look at it. My neighbors are gonna probably think I'm freaking crazy. That's fine. Crazy. Okay, well, I have to go wake up Henry, and then we gotta go pick up Logan. Look at my girls. Just look at them. I love it. Did I just spend the last like 20 minutes cleaning my car? Well, the Yukon, not the car. Camaro's in to get tint. One problem. I'm too short. That's problem number 1. I mean, I'll get a ladder. That's fine. But problem number 2 is I just realized I have to take these boxes out to my mom's house to burn. And she lives on a gravel road. Because why would I not spend all this time on her? It's fine. Everything's fine. Whatever. She looks good, though. I forget she cleans up nice. All right, boxes. And then Christmas lights. They need to come down. All my boxes. A hood. I got a hood in here. I got 2 hoods, technically. Ish. Look at all those boxes. We order way too much stuff online. And a dirty diaper. L. And my half-painted wall. And I don't know if you can tell, but that is where I have spray painted something at one point.
What'd you think of the tint job on it?
It was good. You could just kind of tell it was a cheap film that was put on it. It was really browned up, and it didn't really want to come off the greatest, but it wasn't too shabby.
Yeah, did you see all this shit in the windshield tint?
Yeah, it did. Of the hairs, the pieces of dirt, I've seen all of this today.
It's like they used it as like the dust rag before they put it on the windshield, right?
Yeah.
So.
But all the film's off of it. We got the windshield steamed off. It's got a little bit of glue we got to get off there. We got our soak rope in. We got our dash towel covering up all the electronics because we're going to be really careful with these cars because there's a lot of electronics behind the dash.
It looks so naked.
Yeah, it does, man.
Transparent. So the sides, what do you think was on the sides already? 20%-ish?
Yeah, a carbon 20 or maybe 35 all the way around.
Okay.
I would, at most, I'd say probably 35 here, 20% here, and a 35 windshield.
Okay, see, I felt like the windshield was too dark.
It was pretty dark.
I felt the sides were too light.
So with the back, we're going to do ceramic 20 here, 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 and then get your windshield taken care of with the protectant and stuff on the inside, and then we'll be good to go.
Sweet.
It looks really good.
When the car left the shop, and it hasn't been back inside the shop since sick leave.
Oh, you just ruled all over.
Has been in your room. So it's been living its best life in the garage.
Oh, yeah.
And today is about the first time I've seen sunlight in more than
The evil one, the version with the mask on looks like. See? It really looks like this is the evil version. So make sure to like and subscribe.
quick release system.